Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so let's continue with proportions. This would be a sample question that you can expect to see in the FSA, so let's review it. First of all, read. Just read your questions, that's all. Okay. Feinberg Fisher is selling Takis to raise money for its math program. Heck yeah, math rocks. Last year, the school raised $360, okay, that's a number, so I'm going to underline it, $360 during a 9-day fundraiser. Oh, another number, I'm going to underline it. The school expects this year's daily sales to be in proportion. Oh, proportions. Oh, look at that. In proportion to last year's daily sales. Okay. Based on the school's expectations, which of the following statements are correct? Select all that apply. So you have three things that are important. Number one, your first number. Number two, your second number. Number three, select all that apply. Automatically, you know that means you need to select multiple answers. You need to review each and every one of those. Okay, so here, let's start. $360 during 9 days, and each and every single one of my answer choices, the days are on the left, so I'm going to go ahead and write days on the left, and then my other variable, which will be monies, that's going to be on the right. Okay, so for days, they're telling me that for 9 days, I made $360. Now, they're specifically saying daily sales here. They mentioned daily, so daily would mean for every 1 day. Ho, wait a second there. To get from 9 to 1, what did I divide by? Yes, that's right, you got it right. You divided by 9. Here, if you divided by 9 on the left, what do you think that you are going to divide by on the right? 9 again. Good. So 36 divided by 9 would be 4. That means that 360 divided by 9 would be 40. Perfect. I feel slightly like Dora the Explorer right now, asking you guys to follow along. Okay, so for 1 day, the school will raise $40. Okay, perfect. Now, let's compare this ratio that we just did to all of these. Okay, so I have days, then I have dollars. Okay, now we're going to set up our chart. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's set them up. So here is what I just established. This is my daily amount. For every 1 day, there are $40. Now come your answer choices. We have answer choices A, B, C, and D. All we have to do is check all of them. So let's use the answer choices. Here for 2 days, we raise $80. For 7 days, we raise $240. For 12 days, we raise $480. And finally, for 16 days, we raise $800. Perfect. Now, all that we have to do is check. Okay, let's erase over here to make some space for our work. Alright, so you can already tell to get from 1 to 2, you multiplied by 2. Perfect. Do we also multiply by 2 here? Yes, we do. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Let's check the next one. To get from 1 to 7, what do we multiply by? We multiplied by 7. Well, 4 times 7 is 28, so 40 times 7 would be 280. Is this 280? No, it's not. It's 240, so B is wrong. Remember, the change from the 1 to any other one of the days, the change from the 40 to any one of the other one of the days must be proportional. It must be the same. Let's try another one. Let's say we go with this. To get from 1 to 12, I multiplied by 12. Now, 4 times 12 is 48. 40 times 12 is 480. Oh, look, it's perfect. C is also an answer choice because it's proportional. Okay, to get from 1 to 16, I multiplied by 16. Perfect. Now I have to do 4 times 16. Okay, 16, 4, let's multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. Now, if 4 times 16 is 64, 16 times 40 is going to be 640. As you can see down here, You do not have 640, you have 800. That means that your only two correct answer choices are going to be A and C, as we already established. So here, it's only going to be A and C. Do me a favor, make sure you write this down in your notes. Yes, you are writing the entire question down. This is going to be one of your test questions. I think that you are capable of writing it down. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, good luck.